Struggling to get the perfect domain name? Learn exactly how to bid on Namecheap auctions and win premium domains fast. I will show you the exact steps, from beast mode to placing your bid and checking history. Let's go. So you have been hunting for that perfect domain name, but the one you want is already taken. It happens to all of us. But here is the thing. Just because somebody owns it does not mean you cannot get it. Namecheap runs a marketplace where premium domains get bought and sold through auctions. And I am going to walk you through the whole process right now. Start by opening the domain pricing page on Namecheap. This is your launch point. You do not need to worry about prices here. We are just getting into the right area. Then switch to beast mode. Now, beast mode is not just a cool name. It is Namecheap's advanced search tool that unlocks access to expired and auction domains. Think of it as the backstage pass for domain hunting. Without it, you will never see these listings. So go ahead and click that toggle. Now, navigate to the Auctions tab. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of domains that people are actively bidding on or that are about to go up for sale. It is a live marketplace, so things move fast here. View the auction results to see available domains. This page will show you what is currently on the block. You will see the domain name, the current bid price, and how much time is left. Take a moment to browse. Look for something that fits your project. Maybe it is a short brandable name or something with a keyword that matters to you. Find a domain you like and click Bid Now. This button is your ticket in. When you click it, you will be taken to a dedicated page for that specific domain. Now, do not rush. This is where you need to pay attention. Highlight the domain to see details. You will see information like the domain age, the auction end date, and sometimes the starting bid. I like to check the age because older domains often have built-in authority, which can be a huge advantage for your website. Now, place your bid on the domain. You will see a box where you can enter your maximum bid. And here is a tip from experience. Decide your absolute highest number before you start. Auctions can get competitive, and it is easy to get caught up in the moment. Stick to your budget. Enter your bid amount. Confirm you agree to pay if you win. This is non-negotiable. You must check that box. It is Namecheap's way of making sure bidders are serious. If you do not agree, you cannot place the bid. It is that simple. Check the bid history to see current bids. This is one of my favorite features because it shows you everything. You can see how many people have bid, what their maximum bids were, and when they placed them. It gives you a real feel for the competition. Highlight the bid history for details. Look for patterns. If you see a lot of bids in the last hour, that means people are waiting until the last minute. If the history shows only a couple of early bids, the interest might be low, which could work in your favor. And that is really all there is to it. You went from not knowing where to start to confidently placing bids on Namecheap auctions. Now go find that domain you have been dreaming about. I will see you in the next one.